All right, I had a pretty, I would say, initially like slow session, and then it got speed up for like just this pretty much up bar here. And I'm gonna explain what I did. I was attempting to short at the beginning because I noticed it would fail from prior days lows here. And then it would there was some rejection here on Nasdaq. It was okay. Then also on the Dow, but it wouldn't Dow mostly I was break even, and then I just got stopped out there in a small trade. Then here there's two inside bars which were created, the second and the third bar. So I sold the low here of this inside bar after the price took the high and rejected down, but then it wouldn't trade any lower. So what it did was it came back up. So yeah, I got a stop towards more loss, and then I just bought the market here. I just closed it around here basically. I was thinking that it might push, but then I didn't want to just wait because the trade was good, and I'm gonna explain why. After I had some drawdown, basically, yeah, I closed the trade, but I closed it after Nasdaq basically, and Nasdaq it was pretty much similar. I would short the Nasdaq a couple of times, then I actually took like small losses here, like really small, really tiny, and then yeah, same thing. I sold the inside bar low here. Initially, it seemed that it was too strong, but then it just didn't do anything. It came back up, it stopped me out, reduced risk, which is like minus maybe 30 or something like that, and I immediately bought the market again because I noticed that it was starting to get strong, like really quick in both of them. So I just bought the market here. I bought four contracts because my risk was small. So I entered there and I exited Nasdaq somewhere here. It was like plus, I don't know, 400 or something. Let me take a look. But basically, yeah. Yeah, I actually took maybe it was like I said, a small execution, small losses here, but still it was maybe too much, I would say. But yeah, eventually, actually here on Nasdaq, I had, let me check. It was actually even better. I thought that it was a little less, but yeah, it was. I took a 520 winner, and then 202 on the Dow. So that's basically plus 500, 700, sorry. But of course, I had some drawdown, so I pretty much recovered, which means I was around like 300 maybe. So basically, the day ends on 435, which is good. Is a good recovery. So what I'm gonna do today, I don't know if the market is gonna try higher, try lower at this point. I think I did what I had to do. So yeah, little less trades. I actually took 11. That's still too much because, like I said, they were really small executions, so it's not like it's a big deal out of it. But yeah, I'm letting it be like this. I'm going to lock myself out, especially now I have my child here and I actually want to enjoy the time with her and spend some quality time. So this is it for me. After the well, last week was not the best, so I'm still in recovery mode. So I think it was good. Though I don't want to be how to say greedy or whatever. So I think that's fine. I'm gonna call it a day today, and let's see what happens tomorrow.